the mower? You want to blow the mower off? I feel like if the wind blows, it's gonna blow a whole bunch of leaves.
Yeah, probably.
Hey, you want to put the backpack blower on? Yeah, I'll move it over there.
I'll go with the backpack, bro.
Nice little hour.
What do you think?
Nice little hour.
An hour? Yeah, it actually took longer than I thought it was going to, but
Did it really? I mean, I just figured.
well, I was expecting it to go super fast, but I think the issue was that the grass was long
Right. So it's
and
hard to blow it
those
stuff.
leaves were matted in the grass, so I couldn't shoot everything at once. I had to go over slower than normal to try and get the matted leaves up.
Right.
But it does look a lot better that you went over it with the Exmark.
Yeah, it does.
Especially the front looks a lot better.
Full time. We'd have probably been done probably like 50 minutes.
Yeah. I was pushing it pretty far back into the woods, taking my time on that one so it wouldn't come back. But this one took exactly an hour and 14 minutes. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Did we do a good job? Is there anything that we could have done different that you guys would have done? Hopefully we got some good video footage, because I kind of was
Bro, I didn't know you
at one point I forgot I was recording.
I didn't know you were recording.
I was just working. So hopefully it turns out. If not, well, oh well. Like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.